Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. So yes guys, so today we are heading towards Hassan, a place near Hotel Mayura. I'm not going to Mayura, it's a cousin's place in Hassan, so I'll be staying there for next 1 or 2 days maybe, because I have a couple of work, need to meet a cousin and all of those, so we'll be staying there for at least 1 or 2 days. So thought, like, I didn't have an idea to vlog today, but then I thought, okay fine, let's do this, because Hassan highway looks pretty good and decent. So thought of showing the nature to you folks, and even there will be a lot of coconut trees, and it is a blissful ride. That's it, all that I can say. So I'll show you guys once I hit the highway. Now I just wanted to take a quick intro for our video. Cools. So it's around 156 kilometers more to reach Hassan, but I will be stopping somewhere in the front itself, because that's where my cousin's place is there. It's around 100 or 80 to 100 kilometers away from this particular place. I have put the maps, so it should be fine. And so in the month of September I'm planning to go to Ladakh. It is a 14 days plan. I'm not going alone. It is a group of people who will be joining along with me. So from Bangalore to Delhi, it's all on my own. From Delhi, the respective tour guides will be taking me to Srinagar through a bus, and I'm not very sure about the plan. It is a package from a particular travel company. I'm not going to mention the name of the company for now, because once I go, I'll have to know how my personal experience is. So once the Ladakh trip is done, then I'll be explaining you guys as to how I contacted them and everything, because it doesn't make sense if I tell you the complete details now. You guys might try it out, and later if your experience is not that great with them, then you might end up blaming me. So that is why I thought, okay, let me have an experience with them and then share my particular experience or how the trip actually went. So just to give a gist, they will be providing me a standard 500 Royal Enfield Bullet standard 500 bike for the ride, and there is two different prices for the same. One is if it is one bike, two riders, it's around 31,000. If it is one bike, one rider, it comes around 37,000. So I'm planning to go for the package of 37,000 for 14 days, I believe. I'm not sure about the number of days, but it's somewhere between 10 to 14 days only. So it is Delhi to Delhi. So they will pick me up in Delhi, and then again the drop will also be in Delhi itself. So the plan looks pretty much fine. So let's hope for the best. I hope there is no any lockdown imposed again in the country, so that I should be completing the Ladakh trip as soon as possible. Last time also I kind of missed it out, and I've already paid half of the amount. So this September we can hope for a lot of Ladakh videos coming on your way. So before that, please subscribe the channel. That's very important, so that later when I post, you guys don't miss out on the fun.
शर्त का इकरार था तेरा, बेइंतहा कोशिश कर ली मैंने, किस्मत पे पड़ना जोर था तेरा, प्यार बहुत था मेरा पर लाचार बेचारा, मजबूरी के आगे फिक्र तेरी थी, ये दुआ लगे ना नजर हमको तेरी।
Oh my god, this is a beautiful place, guys. This highway is bliss. I just love this highway. I'm a kind of highway person, not more of a off-road trail guy. I like only the highway roads and all of those. You guys can see how beautiful this place is. Lot of trees and everything. This is the Asan highway. If you want to go to Chikmagalur from this particular, from Bangalore to Chikmagalur, you will have to take up this route. It's such a beautiful place. There's a lot of shops simultaneously, so if you want to have a tea break, or if you want to finish your breakfast or lunch, that shouldn't be an issue. Every restaurant is open here, and probably once everything is back to normal, usually these dabas or restaurants here are open 24/7. But during this particular pandemic season, and after this, since the lockdown has released recently a week back, I am not sure if everything is open now. Like it will be open till the evening, but not 24 hours. So you guys need to check on that. So yeah guys, finally it's almost another 3 to 4 kilometers. I'll reach my cousin's place. So that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications. And